Hello everyone, so here's my Polaris Ranger 1000, and one thing that I've done is added some things to the doors to keep them open, but I wanted to show you what the problem is that I find with these doors. I love them, but the only thing is, stock, they don't stay open. You open them up and the dog goes in and you can't keep it open so the dog can go in and out by itself. So anyway, uh, it's true on both doors, all four of them. Open them up, they keep closing. It's a pain in the butt. So let's see what I've done here. Hey, Ruby, here we go. So I've added some hydraulic cylinders up here. I'll hook these up. There we go. There, Ruby. Nice little brackets built into the door frame. And there you go. Click the door, opens up, stays open, pop the door, stays open, and there we go. Hope you enjoyed this.